Alright, what is going on, everybody? I'm back out here again with the boy, Abram Moore. We're back on this lake behind me. We're gonna try the Jon Boat again. We've kind of fixed it up, put some Flex Seal, duct tape, basic stuff on there, just to get it going, just make sure it doesn't leak. Last time I made this video, it was like 8 months ago, 6 months ago, something like that. So, hopefully my voice got a little bit deeper, fishing got a little bit better. And yeah, let's go slay a hound. Alright, Jon Boat part 2. Throwing a frog. Early morning. I think it might do good. But who knows?
My girlfriend might need an update like yours did. Do they do it annually? At the same time?
I'm not really sure, to be honest with you.
Yep. Dang it.
True.
You're kidding me.
That's more.
There's another one, bro. Look, they're just freaking taking turns. I would not take a turn.
Oh, they're so cute. Alright, we're back. Different spot, different life, different person. I tied on a chatterbait, didn't work. I don't really know why I expected it to work. Might work a little bit later. But, so we're back with a Senko. I'm gonna tie on a jig here in a second and try a jig out. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I don't know. This fish just don't like eating. We've caught like 27 in the past 2 days, so.
My G.
Sorry, I was getting a little bit frisky. This anchor's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Hold up. This is automatic fish right here. You ready?
I call bull. I haven't ever caught anything yet. Tell you, bro, it's a Tate down there.
Dude, like, I am gonna fall off this boat today. It's happening. I can already tell.
At least we'll get a good thumbnail. Cash falls out of boat. Boat able to catch 10 fish. We're gonna click it off or click on it just for cash falling out of the boat.
We'll have to like film myself drowning. Cash.
Please help! I'm under the water.
Please. Hello, I'm under the water. Please help me. Hello. That's funny.
You just might grab, like, take their hands and grab you and pull you under.
That'd be so fun. We might have to go in that little corner that we were at yesterday. A little next to that other abandoned dock.
Okay, I'm done.
Dude, this sun is literally, like, I don't know. It's very bad. It's like when a dude flashes you at the public pool. Like, you don't want to look at it.
Or when a dude flashes you on the couch the night before fishing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, your penis is pretty small.
It's the undies, bro, I swear.
I swear, bro. It'd be pushing it down a little bit.
Please help.
Dude, you were casting right in the moss. It's actually absurd.
Oh my goodness.
These fish are
Okay,
literally
I'm dipping, bro.
autistic, bro.
Dude, this literally worked last time so well, and now this time it's like... And it worked yesterday.
These fish are not G's.
No, they're nocturnal. Wait, what, you got one?
Oh, yeah, I do. Holy crap.
That's a good one.
Since when did I have one?
Oh, that's not a good one. I'll play with you. Oh, it's a better one.
It's not.
That one's better than mine.
Woo! Oh, snap. Woo! Probably gonna lose the fish, honestly. Oh, no. This is bad. I gill hooked it. So I'm a horrible human.
Like a horrible human.
Like Abram Moreham.
Okay, Brody.
No, I didn't.
I didn't even gill hook them. I throat hooked them.
Oh, yes. 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 Oh, yes gonna be the downfall. I want to see how water's doing. Hey, our water's actually leaked out somehow.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But I haven't gotten a bite on the pal tail. It's kind of sussy. Have one again?
No, I thought I did.
I feel like in theory this should cast farther than the Senko does because it weighs more, but it's not casting farther. Listen to what I say. In your life you have some troubles. Alright, I'm gonna take this thing off. It's too close to the presentation you have. Ow.
Pretty busty. I missed a couple bites, which is
Fun.
yeah. Getting me a little bit sad, but you know what it is. We're gonna catch a hog here in a couple seconds.
20 pounder.
Oh, dang, I thought I had one. Probably did.
Indiana state record. Because apparently there's 10 pounders in this pond. Oh my god.
We probably just died. Each of us.
Together.
Yeah.
What happened to this water? It's like drying up.
Really?
Yeah. Look at it.
Same.
There's like no water. Is there water over there?
No.
That's hot. Maybe it did work.
That's attractive. Maybe it was condensation. That's a lot of condensation though.
Yeah.
It does look a lot less dark though.
Maybe it was like condensation and then it dried up or something.
Mm-hmm.
I have one, dude. That literally bit it right next to the boat. What is happening? Did I gut hook this one again? I swear to God, if it's another gut hook, I'm gonna personally. It's another gut hook. Frick me. There's no way.
You got hooked again? Trash.
There's no way. All right, third fish. I'm actually so tired of this one. Like they're just swallowing it. I don't even have but I can't tell they're biting it, so I reel it in. I would love to use a different fishing bait, but they just don't eat a different fishing bait.
Mm-hmm.
I might give that whopper plopper a whirl just for funsies. Whatever daddy wants, daddy gets. Say whatever daddy wants, daddy's bound to give. Yeah, alright. Alright, this cast is a fish right here. You ready? My mom told me this is the hot spot, okay? Right here.
The fish's mom or your mom?
My mom. My mom told me that she caught her great granddad's fish, which is like 20 pounds, at this spot right here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
If you catch one, you have to find out.
That'd be crazy. Oh my god, I have one. Holy crap. There's actually no way.
Oh yeah, you do. Set the hook, No.
Dude, this bass is literally the most lethargic little piece of shit I've ever seen.
Literally took it.
I should have just let it. I should have let it until I went. Then I went. Dude, it's the same one. I guarantee you it's the exact same one. Oh my god, it has it again. Oh my god.
Is that
That's a monster. Unless I'm wrapped
Oh,
around the
that's a
log.
tree.
I'm wrapped around the log.
Oh yeah, you got in between them, but he's on. That was definitely a fish. There's no way that's not a fish, right?
Is it still on? Here. Can you hold this real quick?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up this anchor and we're gonna go get it, okay? Okay. Keep some tension on that.
Oh my god.
Alright. Let's go get it. Can you paddle us over there? Is that possible? And I'll try to get us over there, but I doubt he's still on, but that was for sure a fish.
Oh no, he's definitely on. You weren't reeling, were you?
What? I mean, I reeled like a little bit, but as soon as I set the hook, it basically wrapped it around. I think I see it. If that's it, that's a monster bass.
Oh no, I see what you're saying.
You
Oh, is
do?
that a fish?
I think that's a fish. No, it's moss. Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish.
Oh dang.
How the frick did it wrap it around?
I'm gonna break it. Got him. No, I didn't.
Okay, hold up. So it needs to be like this way? I guess. The fact that this fish is still on there. Is it on there or did I lose it? I need it to be like here so I can kind of reach down, but it's like being mad gay right now. Okay, I'm right here. Alright, what's good, everybody? So we are done fishing for today off the Jon Boat. Sadly, we did not catch as much as last time. It's been raining a whole bunch, so, you know, it's not that big of a deal. I think I ended up catching 3 fish. I'll watch it back, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one.